Hi, I'm Lori and welcome to our channel. In this video, we're making a Poolish pizza dough, and this was a request from one of our viewers, Tucker Dog 991. This is a recipe from Weekend Bakery. The reason I like using a Poolish is the Poolish itself just takes a few minutes to prepare, and the resulting dough, pizza dough, is better gluten development, better flavor, better browning, and you don't have to worry about overproofing. And the dough comes out light and airy. Making a pizza dough using a Poolish is a two-step process. First, you make your Poolish, you let it ferment, and then you add it to additional flour, salt, water, and yeast to make your pizza dough. To make your Poolish, combine 100 grams of flour, 100 grams of water, and 1/4 teaspoon or 0.1 grams of instant yeast. This Poolish recipe is 100% hydration, equal parts flour and water. Add your yeast to your flour and mix. Then add your room temperature water and stir until combined. You can use any type of flour, 00, bread, or all-purpose. Cover and set aside for 16 hours at room temperature. After 16 hours, your Poolish should look like pancake batter with a lot of bubbles on top. The ingredients for your pizza dough are your Poolish, 250 grams of flour, 5 grams instant yeast, 8 grams sea salt, and 120 grams lukewarm water. The second step is making your pizza dough. Add your Poolish to the bowl of your mixer that has a dough hook attachment. Add your 250 grams of flour. Add your 5 grams of instant yeast, 8 grams of sea salt. Turn your mixer on low, setting 1. Add 120 grams of lukewarm water. Mix and let it knead for 7 minutes until the ball is smooth and slightly sticky. If you don't have a mixer, you can knead by hand 10 to 15 minutes. Prepare a sheet pan, dust it with flour or oil, and add flour to your counter. Roll your dough into a log. Divide your dough into 4 equal pieces. Prepare your dough balls and place on your floured or oiled tray. Dust your dough balls with flour. Cover your dough balls with plastic wrap and let it proof 1 to 2 hours at room temperature before using. If you like this kind of content, please give us a thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.